Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive west on Interstate 40 in North Carolina, beginning in Buncombe County in the town of Black Mountain. Black Mountain, in its present form, was incorporated in 1893. The first recorded inhabitants of the area were Cherokee. A road was built through the area in 1850, and a railroad followed in 1879. The downtown area has many eclectic shops, attracting seasonal tourism, a main staple of the local economy. There are also many quaint bed and breakfasts. Black Mountain College was formerly located within the town limits, but the Black Mountain College Museum and Arts Center, dedicated to the experimental educational institution's history, is now located in downtown Asheville. Grammy Award-winning singer Roberta Flack was born and raised in Black Mountain. The town lies at an elevation of 2,405 feet above sea level. We enter the town limits of Asheville, the county seat of Buncombe County. Asheville has an estimated population of 89,121, and the metropolitan area had a population of 424,858 people as of the 2010 census. Asheville is home to the Biltmore Estate, which features a Gilded Age mansion which is the largest privately owned house in the United States with 178,926 square feet of floor space. The residence was originally built for George Washington Vanderbilt II, a member of what was once the wealthiest family in America. The estate is currently owned by descendants of Vanderbilt and is open for tours, includes 2 restaurants, 4 gift shops, a 210-room inn, and a winery. The estate covers about 8,000 acres and is split in half by the French Broad River. A number of U.S. highways and interstates connect with I-40 in Asheville, and we'll see a concurrency with U.S. Highway 74 toward the end of this video and into the next. Back at mile 53, the Blue Ridge Parkway crossed I-40, and if you've seen any of our previous videos in this area, that was the reason we came up here to begin with. At this point, we've made 2 trips to the Blue Ridge Mountains to try to get video of the Blue Ridge Parkway from start to finish, and in those 2 trips, we've made it as far south as I-40. We hope to return at the end of May 2019 to get the last 100 miles of the Parkway, so we can try to bring that experience to our viewers. We conclude our video here at exit 44. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.